Hi there and welcome to Unboxing Canada. So today we are having something we ordered from Amazon, and this is the box. So let's open it. So it can come from this side, and it's pretty heavy. So let's see what we have here. All right, something I've been waiting for. Oh man, these things have been really so sold out from the market. Now we got it finally, but let's see. So we have this one here. So, oh, that's a dumbbell. Whoa. So what is this called here? Coated dumbbell. That's the name, and it shows here CAP, C-A-P, C-A-P, and this is how it looks. So this is the code for it and everything. So this is one, and we have the other piece. That's cool. Is this 10 kilos or 10 pounds? Okay, let's use them. All right. Aha. So this is it. This is it. You can. Are you covering your camera with your finger, man? Here it is. Subscribe, share, Unboxing Canada. Thank you for watching.